Hello guys, welcome to Airi Italia. So this phone Samsung A10 has not turning on. It's not taking a charge, single bit. So we need to see what is the problem with this phone. It's not taking a little bit charging. Let me just show you. Here I plugged it. As you can see, nothing, no charging. So let's just sorry about that. Let's just see with the diagnostic what is the problem. So it was not taking the charger. We replaced it, the charging port. Now I removed all the shield, so tested where is the problem. As I know you people can see it, it's the here is the problem. Here it's blown up, this IC is blown up. Amplifier IC for signals, this one, and let's see what can we do for it, if we can repair it. So here it is. As you can see, it's blown right up here. We need to replace it, but first we need to see if we have this IC, but we have to order it. Let me just see that. As you can see, we found the IC on donor board, so we will remove this one and put here on the blown one. It's A20 board that is bent and it's like broken inside. It's not working, so we remove this IC here to put it here. So let's see if it will work. Bismillah. Let me show you how we do it. I hope you can see it. First we need to apply a flux on the sides. We need to take our hot pen and apply it carefully from that side so we don't damage it. It needs to be done because clients will be coming in the afternoon, so you need to give it phone. Removed it. Now we will see if we have any sign of life. let's just put the IC back in place. Not like that. We need to change the places. Not like that. This one was like that. So let's just take our blower and put the IC back in place, okay? So we put the IC back in place, so let's see if it will work or not. So let me just show you. Now we need to revalidate the antenna here. Let's see if it will work or not. It is saying no, I'm not going in, but let's see. I 80% sure it will work, but let's see. The board was also damaged, the donor board, so let's see. Why it's not going in? So here you go. Let's just put the charger and see what is the problem with this board, if it will turn on or not, or yes or no. Yes, I think yes, I think that yes, I think that yes. Let me just leave it in a charge and I will show you if it's working or not. And told me to make a video on it, so let's see if it will turn on now. I hope it. It's showing charging, but it's not working. It's now turning on, so let me just see it. Here you go. Let's see if the touch is working. Yeah, the phone is unlocked, so it's working perfectly. The button was not working. We did the jumper here, as you can see here, just like that. Now it's working. It's taking charging. All is done. Thank you. Welcome. Bye bye.